Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you a camera chest harness. I decided to get one from the company Sametop. I'm hoping to do some interesting hiking videos, and I want something that I could easily hold a camera with. So this is the one I've gone for. We'll just pull it out. So first of all, we have the actual harness itself. You can see here, these are the straps, okay, and the section it goes on it, if I understand it. Oh yeah, this just unclips to get on and off, so we'll look at that in a moment once I've got it on. Okay, put that here, and then what else do we have here? Now the reason I got this is it can actually support a GoPro. It can hold a GoPro, but it can also hold my phone, so I can switch between, which I think is will be quite useful. So let's open this guy, see what we've got here. So classic GoPro J hook, okay. Alright, move this out of the way here. And so this ran about 30 Canadian dollars, which is pretty reasonable. It was one of the more expensive actually harnesses, and this is for the phone. And the reason I got this one, this particular model of chest harness, is because of this phone adapter, because the big difference is this isn't spring loaded, it's actually, it winds in and out, so I'm hoping it'll be much more secure with the phone. Yeah, you can see how it goes in and out like that, yeah, with the same GoPro connection on the bottom. So and you can rotate it, so you can have the phone in any, and it's indented or detented, so you can you can hear it clicking. Yeah, have the phone in any angle you want. So what I'll do is I'll hook it up and I'll let you guys see what it looks like. Let's see how easy it is to put this on. The harness comes set at its maximum size. This is the front pad here. This is the release for the straps, so you take that off. You can hold these two like that, and then it's a case of hopefully do this. And we're on. And then we take this piece here, slide it in, clip it in like that, straighten up the, hopefully we can straighten up the, there we go. So elasticated straps, so all you have to do really is grab this and pull this up, tighten on the shoulders like that, and the same around the chest area, put it around here until it's comfortable enough and you can walk around without anything jiggling about too much. I will show you a quick test of me walking up and down the hallway here, just to let you see how well it works. Here are the pieces that I took out of the box earlier. All I've done is connect the J clip up to the phone holder here. So that's all ready to go. The last thing we have to do is connect the J clip to the harness. Pretty similar to your GoPro, if any of you own a GoPro, to what that clip looks like here. The one difference, I don't know if this is a new thing, but there's a little lock pad that goes in after you've slid it in. So it will actually go both ways. It can go bottom up or it can go top down. I'm going to do bottom up because I think it will just be a better height. So simply just slide it in here like this, like that, push the lock tab in, and it's on. And then we set the phone holder to where we want it. Easy enough to have it like this, and then the phone, you can take a look at it here, or you can have it up for filming. Next thing I'll do is I'll stop this, put the phone on, and I'll give you a quick demo of me walking about. Okay. So we now have the phone connected to the harness. It feels pretty comfortable, not too bad at all. I'll just draw your attention to the phone holder part. Worth noting that with a lot of these, with the spring-loaded versions, it's common for people to have to remove their phones from their cases because spring-loaded phone holders that come with selfie sticks and harnesses and tripods don't always get a good grip on phone cases. But with the screw one here, it does actually give a good tight grip on this. It feels very secure, so that is good. So harness feels okay. Won't really know until we go a hike how well it works, but I will do a quick walk through the hallway there just to let you see how stable things are. So let's do that now. So we'll just take a quick walk down here. Hopefully this works pretty well. We've got a couple of stairs to go up, so we'll just go up these stairs to simulate a very small mountain. There we go, and walk in here. Quick look out the back window with the Rockies in the distance, which you probably can't see because it's too hazy today and too warm. Go back here, back down the very small mountain. There we go, and back to our starting point. And that is the Sametop chest mount harness available from Amazon. So hopefully this is in focus. You can see whether it is there. There you go. Okay. Hope this was helpful, this video. Please subscribe if you find this sort of thing useful, and there are other videos on the channel growing all the time. It's a very new channel, but we're putting videos on about our trailer, about our camping adventures, about our hiking, various other travel related and outdoor related things. So please subscribe if you're interested in any of that stuff, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.